This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the wiper arm away from the windscreen until it locks. Swivel the blade through 90 degrees, then squeeze the locking clip and slide the blade from the arm. Use a rag to protect the windscreen from the arm. Slide the new blade into the hook of the arm until the clip engages. Swivel the blade 90 degrees and gently lower the arm onto the windscreen.